Alright, now in this article we're going to submit images that were included in a Word document. Unfortunately, the system, when you basically take a document that has images inside of it, you can't just copy and paste that over. You actually have to go through and upload those images. This was very apparent when we got this year's position papers. There was a couple images inside of there. We needed to go ahead and basically get those images out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through a step-by-step on how to essentially do this. We're going to go ahead and open up the position papers that we got here. Just go ahead and locate that real quick. And let's see here, documents 2012 legislative seminar. Let me see here. So this was this year's position papers, and you can see right here there's a document, and then down a little bit further there's a document, or I'm sorry, images. So what we need to do is basically get those images out and then go ahead and reapply them back to the document. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and essentially, so the first part of this is we go ahead and copy, so just right click on it, copy. Now we're going to go over to your little start bar here, go to all programs, you want to go to accessories and then paint. Now this should be in everybody's Microsoft version, it doesn't matter, so that's why we're going to use that one. You can use your own, but paint is just one that's in every single one. So then we go ahead and paste. There's the document, and then go ahead and crop it so that way that's the thing. Then we're going to go ahead and save it, so save as, and I'm just going to go ahead and save it into basically the WSG folder, documents 1210, and we're going to go ahead and put it as leg policy image 1, and then save it as a JPEG, and that's just so it loads quicker. We'll place it there so we can X out of this, scroll down the image some more, this one comes up, copy, back over to paint, paste, crop, save, leg policy image 2, JPEG, save. Okay, so that's the first part of that situation. Then what we need to go ahead and do is basically hit Control A, that basically gets everything, and then Control C, and then we're going to go back over to the website here, and we're going to go new article, and then remember hit the little word, paste from Word, and then we want to hit Control V. Okay, and everything's in there. I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger. Remember, you can do that with a maximize. Now notice here where the image is supposed to be. So what we want to do is delete that, so just go ahead and click on it and then click delete. And then we want to go to our little image finder, upload, browse, WSG, documents 2012, image policy 1, image info. Whoop. You gotta send it to the server first, sorry about that. And we're just gonna leave it that size, and so it's right there. Same thing, you can see this this is right here. Delete it out, image, upload, browse, policy 2, send it to the server, okay. We're going to leave it the size. Now if we wanted to, we could go back, say we don't want all this white space. So we can go back up to the top, click on the image, click on the image bar, align left, and then give it that horizontal spacing. That 15 is usually what I like to do. Click OK, and notice everything's right next to it. Do the same thing down here, image, horizontal spacing, 15, align, left, OK, everything's right there. And this just cleans it up a little bit, and then you can go ahead and give it some spacing there, just to make the document a little bit, you know, more readable. You can see sometimes it doesn't copy the paragraphs down. I'm not sure why it didn't do that this time. So you just go ahead and clean it up a little bit. And then when it's there basically where you want it, so we'll go ahead and hit a paragraph there. We want to probably put paragraphs here, paragraph here, paragraph there. And then of course at the top, let's get rid of this Wisconsin student government. Let's give it the proper consideration it deserves. So we're going to go ahead and put the image, and we're going to go to Browse Server and WSG letterhead. And remember, that's going to be the 600 by 150. And there it is, nice and neat. Now another thing we can do is go back through, center that, just so it cleans it up a little bit better. Once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and minimize back, title it Position 2012 Position Papers. Then scroll down, we want to go ahead and put it in the WSG Position Papers and save. And so if we go back to the document, we can see it's all nice and neat. And that's basically how you go ahead and put that in there in that format. Now something else we'll do actually in the next article is go ahead and show you how to upload a document. So that's it for this one. Thanks.